Alright, so the question says a plane electromagnetic wave of frequency 500 MHz is traveling in vacuum along y direction. At a particular point in space and time, magnetic field is equal to 8 into 10 raised to minus 8 z cap into t. The value of electric field at this point is so. This question is extremely important as there are many hints that are hidden in the question. So first of them would be the electromagnetic wave is traveling along y direction. Now this will be useful for finding the direction of the electric field. And then B vector is given us to be 8 into 10 raised to minus 8 z cap into t. Now we have to be extremely careful while writing the directions over here. So we know that E naught is equal to B into C, wherein E naught is the magnetic field, E naught is the electric field, and B is the magnetic field. So substituting the values, we have E naught is equal to 8 into 10 raised to minus 8 into speed of light, that is 3 into 10 raised to 8. We get value of electric field as 24. Now this is the modulus. So we have to find now the direction for the electric field. Now we know that any wave it travels in the direction of E vector cross B vector, since it was given us to be an electromagnetic wave. So the electromagnetic wave, let's assume this is Y, this is X, and this is Z. Now the electromagnetic wave it travels in the direction of E vector cross B vector. This is E vector, this is B vector, and this is in the direction outwards of the plane of E vector and B vector. So we know that it was said as to be plus y cap, the direction of electromagnetic wave, and the direction of magnetic field was given as to be z cap. So z cap for when we cross multiply it by minus x, that is when we extend x in this direction, we get y cap. Now we find this by using the thumb rule, that is the cross product. So minus x cross z is equal to plus y. So therefore electric field's vector's direction will now be equal to minus of 24 x cap volts plus volt per meter.